Do you know that drinking an excessive amount of water can lead to some serious health problems in the body? Although it is true that water is essential for the body's proper functioning, there is still a need for individuals, particularly athletes, to be cautious about the rate at which they consume water. This is especially important to keep in mind. The reason for this is that because most athletes are so focused on what they are doing, they tend to drink more water than their bodies require. This can cause dehydration and other health problems. The effects of consuming an excessive amount of water can affect the brain as well as the tissues and cells that make up the brain. What effects, if any, does drinking an excessive amount of water have on the brain tissues? Consuming an excessive amount of water can result in the tissues of the brain becoming enlarged. In addition to the fact that drinking an excessive amount of water can lead to a reduction in the amount of sodium in the blood, there is also a significant risk that one's brain will become dilated or swell up as a result of drinking an excessive amount of water. It has been demonstrated that you should seek medical attention if you consume more water than you should for any reason at all. This is due to the fact that when you consume more water than what is needed, the cells and tissues in your brain will swell, which can result in a number of unfavorable complications and symptoms, including headaches and a wide variety of other upsetting effects.